Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Lensverse. Today we're taking a closer look at the Sony RX100 VII, a compact camera that still competes with many modern devices. Let's see if it's still worth it in 2026. So first, let's talk about the sensor, because this is where the Sony RX100 VII really stands out. An 24 200mm high zoom lens in a pocket-sized body and Zeiss Vario Sonnar T24 200mm f2.8 zoom lens and condensing the outstanding technology of the X9 into a compact and powerful body. This camera delivers exceptional performance without new 1.0 type stacked CMOS sensor and the latest image processing engine work together to deliver stunning image quality, faster data readout, and impressive low-light performance. This combination not only enhances sharpness and dynamic range and 20 frames per second. Continuous shooting using 60 times second AFEE calculation, then single burst shooting at up to 90 frames per second. Allows this camera to capture incredibly fast action with precision, ensuring every critical moment is recorded with sharp focus and 425 constant detection AF point. Real-time tracking for skills. Ensure precise subject focus at all times. Real-time tracking for movie and touch tracking for stills and movie make it incredibly easy to keep your subject in sharp focus. Simply tap on the screen. Real-time IAF for stills. 1-inch sensor. Key feature include a pop-up electronic continue shooting to up to 20 frames per second, giving photographers both speed and precision in a compact form. The larger sensor size allows more light to be captured, resulting in richer details, better dynamic range, and improved performance in low-light conditions. Meanwhile, the high-speed burst mode ensures you never miss the perfect moment, whether you're capturing action shots, street photography, or spontaneous scenes. The built-in pop-up electronic viewfinder adds versatility, making it easy to compose shots even in bright sunlight where the LCD screen might be difficult to see. Combined with intelligent autofocus and advanced image processing, this camera delivers consistently sharp, vibrant results. Altogether, it's designed for creators who want professional-level performance in a lightweight and portable package. 4K footage example. Who want professional-level performance in a lightweight and portable package. 4K log footage example. But performance isn't the only highlight here. This camera also focuses on usability, offering intuitive controls, responsive handling, and features designed to make shooting effortless for both beginners and experienced creators. So gonna talk about some of THA photography features. So first of all, we have a pop-up flash here, which is accessed via this and the lever and it's not gonna be brilliant flash, but it is a pop-up flash nonetheless, and the very nicely fits, and there is no hot shoe, so you can't use an external flash via a hot shoe. I guess you can use an external flash by triggering it with the onboard flash. Now the reason you don't have a hot shoe is because the real estate is taken up by this viewfinder. So where we have a little lever and this pops up, this will turn the camera on. So this amazing little viewfinder, so it's pop out. I have not needed to do any diopter adjusting, but this little lever allows you to fine-tune the focus according to your eyesight, making it comfortable for long shooting sessions. The viewfinder itself is bright and clear, giving you a real-time preview of your composition, exposure, and focus even under harsh sunlight. For a compact camera, having this kind of versatility really elevates the shooting experience, especially when you're out in the field capturing fast-moving subjects or detailed landscapes. The combination of this viewfinder, the responsive autofocus, and the high-speed continuous shooting ensures you never miss a moment. Every frame is sharp, well-exposed, and vibrant, giving you professional-level results without carrying bulky equipment. And we go to manual mode, shutter priority, aperture priority, and some auto mode as well. We also got a panoramic mode as well. So these are the photography feature of this camera here. You can see I am using the video to zoom in on a bird or birds. One of them flew away, but I was able to take this picture. Now I just do not think you'll be able to this type of picture with a smartphone or anything this small. Here you can see I have taken something at the same location, and the difference is clear. The camera captures more detail, richer colors, and better dynamic range, showing textures and depth that a phone simply can't match. Whether it's a landscape, a close-up, or a fast-moving subject, the results are noticeably sharper and more vibrant. An iPhone footage I tested the camera on a sunny winter's day clearly shows how much more detail and dynamic range stills the RX100 VII captures. Shadows are preserved, highlights aren't blown out, and colors feel true to life. Even with bright sunlight reflecting off surfaces, the camera handles exposure beautifully, something that smartphone footage often struggles with. Coupled with its fast autofocus and high-speed burst mode, this camera lets you capture fleeting moments perfectly, whether it's a running child, a bird in flight, or a busy street scene. Every shot comes out sharp, well-balanced, and ready to use straight from the camera. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe for more reviews, and check out the next video.